Today, we're going to be running through how to use the Reminder add-on inside of ServiceM8. This add-on makes it really easy to set up reminders, which will be sent out to your mobile or tablet through the iOS Field app. You can set these reminders for yourself or for anyone else on your team. Some great uses for this may include reminding you to call back a customer, reminding you to ask some follow-up questions, or making sure your employees don't forget to pick up some materials before going to the job. If you take a look at the job on the screen, you can see we've been asked to install 6 downlights for this job. For this example, let's set a reminder for our staff member to pick up the lights before heading out to the job. To do this, let's open up our add-ons tab and move down to reminders. The first thing we need to do in this pop-up box is write out our reminder. In this case, let's just go with don't forget to pick up 6 downlights before heading out to the job. Below this, we can say who we want to send this to. We can select one or multiple people. So for this example, let's just go with Ben and Joe. Moving down, we're going to be able to set our time and date in which we want this reminder sent out. Let's assume this job is on the 30th, and we want to set a reminder on the 29th. To do this, we would simply need to click on the date and use the sliders below to set the time. So let's just go with 5:20. If we're happy with this, we can go ahead and press Create Reminder. But before I do this, I just want to show you something in the section below. So if we scroll down a bit more, we're going to be able to see any upcoming reminders, as well as any previously sent reminders. Once you've scheduled a reminder, you're also going to be able to edit and remove it under the upcoming reminder section. But for now, let's go ahead and press Create Reminder. As you can see, our reminder has now been scheduled. And now we can take a look at how that would look from the mobile. So looking from left to right, we can see that we'll get a reminder sent to the home screen of our mobile, which contains who the reminder was sent to, the job number which it relates to, and also the reminder text which we previously set up. When you click on this reminder, you'll be taken to the job card for the specific job in case you want to reference any information in it. In the next image, you can see that reminders will also appear in the top corner of your activity section on the iOS Field app. And finally, in the third image, I just wanted to point out that you can also open the job card by clicking the eye next to the reminder. Now that we've covered all that, let's quickly jump back into ServiceMate. There's just one more thing I quickly want to touch on, and that's how to use and set up templates. Well, it's not hard to write out our reminder every time. We can speed this up a bit for common reminders by using a template. So to do this, let's just close out of these 2 windows. Let's move into add-ons and open up ServiceGuru Reminders. From here, you can see we currently don't have any templates set up, so let's add one by pressing Create Template. There's going to be plenty of situations where you can use templates, but for today's example, let's just add one which reminds us to check if there's parking on site. So the first thing we need to do is give the template a name. In this case, let's just go with confirm parking on site. After this, we want to set our reminder. So in this case, let's go call to confirm if there's parking on site and any details we may need. After this, we can select who we want to send this to. So let's assume it's normally Sally or Sam who would make this call. So we can tick them and we can click Create Template. Great, now that we've got that template set up, let's see how we would use it. So if we move back into the dispatch board and open up our job number 50, which we were looking at before, move into add-ons and then back down to reminders, you'll be able to see that we now have a template section at the top. If we click on this, we'll be able to see our template. It'll automatically fill out our reminder as well as who it will be sent to. And then we can move down, set our time and date, and press Create Reminder like we normally would. And that's really all there is to this add-on. While it's really quick and easy to use, it's extremely useful to help ensure everything runs smoothly and to make sure nothing gets forgotten. We know you'll use this add-on a lot, and we hope it helps your day-to-day to be a bit more organized.